Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video we will learn how to hide WordPress login page to secure your website. WordPress is most popular CMS and more than 35% of internet websites are powered by WordPress. So if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon so that whenever I update any post in any video, you will get the update. Now come back to the topic. As WordPress is so popular, therefore it is a main target of the hackers, which doesn't mean that WordPress is an insecure CMS. WordPress is very secure by default, and most of the security breach happens when WordPress user discloses login URL or is folder structure. So why it is important to hide the WordPress login page? When we install any WordPress on a domain, then WordPress create a default login page. It is example like example.com/wp-admin. So this is the default login page, means whatever your website will be, then wp-admin will be the default login page. Therefore what the hacker exactly do, they open they type your website URL and type wp-admin, so it will open default your login page. And if you disclose your login page, then hacker may do trial and error to hack your website. So it is a good idea to hide your login page. So instead of wp-admin, if you hide if you change this wp-admin to something else, then it will be very difficult for hacker to hack your website. So how to do that? With the help of WPS hide login plugin. This is a very good plugin and I am also using it. With the help of this plugin, you can hide your login page. So I will give this plugin URL in the video description so that you can download this plugin. Okay, and you can read in depth about this plugin, how it's work. Okay, so I have already installed this plugin, so let's move to my WordPress dashboard. When you move to your WordPress dashboard, once you install the plugins, under setting you visit the journal. Okay, so here you will get option of WPS hide login. Here is my website URL. Okay, and I can put any character or anything here. Okay, and this will be my default login page. You can put anything here. Okay, so if you hide your login page, then it will be very difficult for hacker to log into your website. So this is very awesome plugin. You must use it to secure your website, and this is all about how to hide your login page to secure your website. Thank you for watching.